Hey, so check it out. I've got my Marx 1666 custom Camelback out this evening. My grandfather always called them Mother Hubbards. He worked for the Erie, but the Lackawanna also came into Corning, so I'm sure he saw quite a few of these. The reason the Lackawanna loved these engines so much was because by having the cab mid-mounted, it allowed them to build a much larger firebox called a Wooten firebox, and it also allowed them to burn the cheaper or byproduct coal called slag or coal. So it saved the railroad quite a bit of money. They were quite powerful as well, but the only drawback was, well, actually there were several. One of them was by having the cab mid-mounted like that, it was over the drive rods. If a drive rod broke, it could go up through the floor and possibly injure or kill the engineer. Also, the fireman was kind of isolated back there, and he was open to the elements, so eventually this type of locomotive was banned for other safety reasons as well. But ours is running good, and I also have a Sound O power tender that I made a handrail for, and I've also got out my log dump cars. I've repaired a few more of them, and I made some more logs. I think I used a 3/8 dowel rods from Lowe's, and I cut them at like 5 1/4 inches long. I use Marx reproduction from Grossman as a guide. And so I've got them all filled up. I think I have about either 10 or 11 of them there. And then I've got a track cleaning car that I'm using as kind of a work caboose. So we're going to take it for a spin. We've got some Mega Steam cinnamon roll down the stack. We'll see how she runs. Here we go. This one has a really good smoke unit in it. Really belches out some smoke. And we'll pick the camera up and try to follow it around as it comes around this time. Here we go. And I'll see if I can put it back down without causing too much commotion. Comes around. There we go. Alright, still running great. The motor has a traction tire there on the front wheel, so it's a really good puller. So later on I'd like to make a video actually showing the log dump cars operating. I don't see too many videos on YouTube with operating cars, so I think maybe I'll get around and do that. I also have one of those barrel unloaders. Maybe I'll hook that up too. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.